All right, this is it, guys. I'm about to let the birds out, open up the trap door, have them decide whether they want to come out or not. Here it is. All right, so this is the last time. This might be the last time we're gonna see them. All right, so good luck. All right, pigeon world, here it is. I'm gonna go ahead and open this trap door. It looks like they're about ready to go. They haven't eaten. Pretty sure they're hungry. So yeah, here it is. Wish me luck, and you know, I hope I don't lose a lot of birds. You know, I'm already expecting losing 2 or 3, but you know, I just hope that I don't lose a lot of birds. And these guys, they want to fly, and then they gotta fly. So here it is. I'm opening the door, and I'm just gonna have them decide what they want to do. You know, pretty interesting, pretty exciting stuff. I want to know who's gonna come out first, and you know, who's gonna start flying and all that stuff. I really hope they don't fly yet. I really hope they just hang out in this or in that roof right here or elsewhere, but I don't want them flying yet. All right, so here it is. It's up to them if they want to go out or not. All right, so this white racing pigeon's thinking about it, thinking about coming out. So he's the first one out. I wonder who that is. There it is. It's official. He's out. One's out. So that's the bird right there. First bird's out. Again, we don't want any hawks lingering around here, because that usually ruins the fun for everyone. Alright, so now 2 of them are out. Again, it's better not to force them out, so you know, I think we all know that already. I made that mistake before last year, so a lot of learning experience and all that stuff. But so now they're out. So these ones are out. The first 2, the third one's about to come out. All right, so now we got 4 that's out right now. Right there. Still thinking what to do. Maybe in about 10 minutes you're gonna see them like all over the place. Based on my experience, in about 10 minutes something's gonna rattle them and they're gonna just fly everywhere. And once they start flying like unconsciously like that, that's how you attract the hawks, you know. There's one right there. So that's the first one up there in the cage. The white racing pigeons down there, just thinking about flying up. So the other one's flying up right there. Doesn't know where to land. It's landing on the roof. Okay, that's good. Also flying right there. Landing on the roof. That's good also. The one's on the floor. This one's both on the roof. Okay, so they're flying like that. One's flying here. So you can see the ones with the stamps under their wings. Yeah, those are the ones that we shouldn't lose. Those are like the money birds. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. So that's the grizzle flying there. Okay, so the grizzle went. I don't know where the grizzle went. So the grizzle's all over there now. These guys are here. White racing pigeons flying. Find a place to land. most of them are out now except for one bird still in there. So I think one of the people that commented, where's the white bird with the brown spot? So that's the white bird with the brown spot right there. All right. I'd rather have them like there or something. There you go. That's better. So these are my young racing pigeons right here. My 2021 racing pigeons. First time out. There they are. It's pretty nice to look at, you know. It's a nice, nice day today. Hopefully I don't lose them. I think we still got 3 more inside. 1, 2, 3. They don't want to come out, but these ones decided to come out already. All right, there they are. Nice for them to be out and about. My 2021 young birds, first time out. Alright, so they're getting a little bit airborne. So they're pretty much airborne. Kind of like that in a little bit. That way they get to do, they get to fly around, spread their wings for a little bit. See, there they are. Trying to learn where to land. It's a good spot to land. This one landed right there. These 2 are there. So pretty much all over the place. I don't want them to go too high, but I like the fact that they're landing like that. Pretty cool. So these 3 birds still chilling. These ones are all the way over there. Trying to warm up. They're trying to figure out that they got wings, you know, that they can fly up. Man, it's nice to see them out. Finally. So that's them. That's my 2021 young bird. Nope, everyone's out. It's official. Everyone's out. Look at this. There's a crow right there. I don't like that sound. I don't like that when I see a crow. Because one crow could spook everyone up. Alright guys, so these are my 2021 racing pigeons. I love how they're all lined up like that. Finally out and about. Spreading their wings. Alright, so we got a couple of airborns right there. And it looks like there is a hawk because they all flew out. They saw something. Alright, here it is. So they're all airborne right now. They are all airborne. There it is. They're all flying everywhere. Which is good. Got them flying like that. It's a good thing. So they are everywhere flying, but so far so good. We like that. We like a little bit of adrenaline going on. So as There's one right there hiding. He's got a good spot. Some of them are over there. I don't know where the rest are, but they'll be back as long as they don't fly too high. All right. Everything is a training process for these guys. So some of them are flying. There they are. It's pretty nice. See one right here. Speeding in. Going a little bit too high. Just enjoy yourselves, guys. There's the one right there. She's landing right there. Another one's landing there. The other one's right here. The rest came back. These two are here. All right, how did that feel, guys? Feels good to fly around. The other one's right there. Stay alert. Stay alert. All right, so that was pretty cool, pretty intense. Here you go. Okay, I'll be right back, guys. I got two flying over there now. Two back here behind me. We got one flying right there. These guys. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and call these guys in and then see how they do in trapping. All right. One is inside already, which is good. Here you go, guys. So I put a little bit of a food on the trap door, and we want to make sure that they go in. Go in. Go in, guys. There's more food in there. Go in. Go in. So he's trying to figure out how to get down there. There you go. All right, guys, go in. All right, finally got them all in. Not too bad, guys. Not too bad for your first time out. So they were out for maybe like 45 minutes. I doubt it's an hour, maybe almost an hour. It was too fast. But my main thing, my purpose for them to go out like that is to go out and use the trap door. So yeah, so they were out. So I got them all in. They were out for about 45 minutes to an hour, and you know, no hawks, no nothing. So pretty nice and boring, which is what we want. Some took a little bit longer than expected, but all of them used the trapdoor, which is pretty good. You know, I'm pretty happy. All right. So that's pretty boring first time out, but I'll take it. What I did is also I put some food in here just to remind them that this is the trapdoor. You know, a lot of work to do, but I'm glad that we got the first time out of the way. So they felt what it's like being out there in nature. They felt what it's like flying. So pretty excited, pretty good outcome. So glad that I didn't lose any of them. So we're gonna go ahead and let them out again, maybe tomorrow or in a couple of days for their second time out. But I'm really proud of these guys. They did good, and I'm so glad. I'm so thankful. Thank God there were no hawks, no predators. All right, that's about it here at GPS Loft, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I was so nervous this whole time. I don't know if you can tell just by the sound of my voice, but I'm so glad that I got them all back in, and I'm even happier that they actually use a trapdoor. All right, that's about it here. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys later.